Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Huawei Mate X3, a new foldable smartphone that was just released. I've been using this phone for a few days now, and I wanted to share my thoughts with you. The Huawei Mate X3 has a lot to offer. It has a large and immersive foldable display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. Let's take a closer look at each of these features. Display. The Mate X3 has a 7.85-inch foldable OLED display with a resolution of 2224 by 2496 pixels. This display is incredibly sharp and vibrant, and it's perfect for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. Performance. The Mate X3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is one of the fastest processors on the market. This processor ensures that the Mate X3 can handle any task you throw at it, from gaming to video editing. Camera. The Mate X3 has a triple camera system on the back, consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultrawide sensor, and an 8MP telephoto sensor. This camera system takes great photos and videos in a variety of conditions. Overall, the Huawei Mate X3 is a great choice for users who are looking for a premium foldable phone. It offers a large and immersive display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. If you're in the market for a new phone, I highly recommend checking out the Huawei Mate X3. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.